Students, now we are on the last question of this exercise, and that is summarize the lesson in your own words. In this question, you have to summarize the whole lesson, the whole text of the lesson. Basically, it's a 5-paragraph essay and you have to summarize it in 5 to 6 sentences. How you can do it? First of all, you have to read this whole text again and again, and you have to note down the main points for every paragraph in your notebook. After noting down the main idea or main points of every paragraph in your notebook, then it's time to make sentences of those points. If you are done with making sentences of those points, now you can join those sentences by using different bridges, verbal bridges. For example, however, whatever, consequently, moreover. And at the end, you will see that you can conclude this whole text into 3 to 5 lines. For the summary of this chapter, you can review my summary video of this chapter. My name is Sardar Hamza and I am your English instructor from tutoria.pk. I hope you understand each and everything we have discussed here. See you soon.